In this video, I'll show you how to add a vignette effect to your video inside DaVinci Resolve. First, head over to the Edit page. Then, in the top left corner, click on the Effects panel. From here, scroll down and open the OpenFX section. In the search bar, type Vignette. Then, drag and drop the vignette effect onto your video clip in the timeline. Next, select your clip and open the Inspector panel. Under the Effects tab, you'll now see the vignette settings. Here, you can adjust the size, softness, and aspect ratio to control how the vignette blends into your footage. To access more detailed controls, expand the operating mode dropdown and switch it from Basic to Advanced. This will unlock options to change the shape of the vignette, like choosing between circular or rectangular, and allow you to reposition it using the Center X and Center Y sliders. If you'd like to change the vignette color, just click the color box next to Color, choose the tone you want, and hit OK. And that's it. Your vignette is now fully customizable and ready to enhance your visuals.